Comparison with the stock Canyon trails, you can see the width is just about the same. Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC. Today we're going to do another upgrade on this Traxxas TRX4M Defender. We're going to be adding new wheels. It's not that I don't exactly like these stock plastic wheels that come with the TRX4M Defender. It's just that I just don't think they fit the look of this Defender well. So I definitely want to upgrade these wheels to something heavier. It's a given fact that the TRX4M Defender is a little top heavy, so it could do with a little bit of weight down low to help keep it more planted. So it definitely would be nice to have some heavier wheels, and I just wanted something that looks a lot nicer. So what I got were these Treal beadlock wheels, and I like the pattern. I thought that aside from the gold color, I thought they fit the pattern of the TRX4M pretty nicely. So let's take a look at these. They're nice and heavy as well. Should help keep this TRX4M Defender a lot more planted. Alright, so in this package we have some washers, that hardware right here, some washers, I assume they're for the wheel nut, and here are the beadlock wheels. So you get 4 beadlock wheels. They're brass, so they're quite heavy. This is the pattern. There you go. So it's kind of got that Defender-esque look to them, minus the gold coloring, but kind of what I was looking for. Some kind of wheels that look in place for a Land Rover. And it's also got these hex adapters right there for the wheels. So these are just to adjust your offset. It already comes with the hub adapter or wheel hex adapter, but if you wanted more offset, you could swap it with this instead. So I'm going to try it stock and see how it goes. I don't know if I'm going to need this. I don't exactly need a wider, I just need it looking nicer and heavier down low. So let me find my tool to remove the tire or wheel. Alright, so it's nice that these stock tires are not glued on, but they do not have any foams. So let me see here. I'm gonna have to find some foams, looks like. Alright, looks like I'm gonna be swapping out the tires as well. I had forgotten that these don't have tire foams in there, so I don't have any tire foams on hand, but I do have a different set of tires from Injora. Now these tires look really similar to Maxxis Trepadors, the tread pattern, so it'll give it a nice scale look. So let's try mounting up one of the tires to these Treal wheels. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mount the hub with the provided screws. Alright, I don't want to use up too much video trying to screw these in, but we'll be right back when I do. Okay, I have the hub bolted on, and now I can go ahead and mount the wheel to the tire, or mount the tire to the wheel. Alright, so you're just gonna have to bolt on the wheels together. There are 6 bolts, and I'm gonna finish that up and we'll be right back. Alright, I've got one tire mounted up to the wheel. See there. Just comparison with the stock Canyon Trails, you can see the width is just about the same, as well as the height. So these are Injoras, and they look like Max's Trepidors. So good scale look. Let's go ahead and mount this wheel. Looks good. It's about the same offset as the stock Canyon Trails. Anyway, got 3 more to finish up, so we'll be right back. Alright, so I finished mounting up the tires to the wheels, got that all done, and I'm ready to mount them back onto the TRX4M. Let me just show you the difference. Here is the stock look wheels and tires, and this is what it looks like after you swap to these Injora tires with Treal wheels. And there we go. It's definitely a new look. I think it looks a lot nicer. Nice weight down low, and these tires are stickier than the stock Canyon Trails, so these tires should help as well. But really liking the way that this is turning out. It's looking really good. But that's about it for this episode of upgrades on Traxxas TRX4M Defender. We added wheels and tires, and we also just wheels and tires. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for future updates on this Traxxas TRX4M Defender.